Then we look at number 3, and we want to select the function to the differential equation given by this. Select the solution to the differential equation. And how are we going to select the solution? Well, we can either input all of these, and that's probably what we want to do. And we know what? That if this is a solution, then this would be 0. And if I input it in there, then I get into y. I get 20 times negative 6 over 5 equals 24. And so that would be 1, and this would be 4. And so it would be negative 24 equals to 24, which is not true. So we can cancel this one right here. Now we can do a similar process for all the other ones. And what we can say is, okay, well, what about e to the negative 20? Well, the derivative of that is going to be negative 20 e to the negative 20 plus 20 e to the negative 20. They're both times t equals to 24. Well, no, this is equal to 0. So we can cancel this one. We can say a similar thing about the one above. Let's see. The derivative is going to be negative 20 divided by 5, which is going to be negative 4, right? Negative 4 times 6 e to the negative 20t plus 20 e to the negative 20t. That should be equal to 24. However, this would be negative 24, and so we'd get negative 4 e to the negative 20t, which is not correct. So we cannot do this one. So I really hope the first one is right. Well, let's see. If I have a 6 over 5 minus whatever the derivative was, which was 4 times 6 e to the negative 20t, this one actually is not here because the derivative of a constant is 0, plus 20, but it's going to be here. So I'm going to put 20 divided by 5, so that's going to be 4 times 6 minus 4 times 6 e to the negative 20t. However, that was already a minus. So let's see how that's going to play out. We want this to be equal to 24. And if only these had opposite signs, then it would equal to 24. So I'm guessing perhaps I did something wrong with the math here. The first time we take a derivative, that's going to be negative, and so this derivative is going to be negative. And then here we have the derivative of this is going to be positive because there was already a negative in front. So these two would cancel out, which would make this true, and it would make this the right answer.